Once you have all the equipment for your band, it is important to learn how to use it. In musical instruments, this is often done by having people take private lessons or study in school for many years. When you're audio and technical, a lot of times there are manuals that you can use to help you out. For example, this home production studio software seems pretty complicated and does take a long time to learn, but that's why they give you plenty of reading material. Other ways to learn about using recording equipment is through books, such as this. There are also many online forums that help you when you're starting out with your equipment. If you have questions that aren't covered in the manuals, they can often be found online as updates are often posted.